Molly, you want to go for a walk on her leash? Yes? You want to go? Yes? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Walk on leash. Hey, Molly, let's get in the car. Let's get in the car and go get Sky and Vinnie. Molly loves to be taken places to go for walks. There's just one issue. Let's get in the car. Ready? Come on. Let's go for a car ride. Come on up. Get in the car and go get Sky and Vinnie.
Oh, God. You're gonna love this walk so much. Okay, come on. Here we go. After we got Molly settled in the car, we went and picked up Vinnie and Sky for our walk in the woods. I wonder which one is going to get the dirtiest.
Come on. Oh, Molly, it's not a run. It's not a run. Doggies. Hey. I think Sky was a sled dog in her former life. Doggies. Okay, okay. Whew. Molly.
All right, guys, that's it. Did you manage to stay clean?
You guys stayed nice and clean, not too muddy. I think we had a clear winner for the dirtiest dog. Oh! Vinnie. Vinnie. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sure. Vinnie. Oh my. Yes. Oh my goodness, you are so wiggly. Come on, lover. Sky, load up. Vinnie, load up. Hey, Molly, your turn. Show us how you do it. Load up. Load up. Molly, load up. Load up. Oh dear. Where's Ram? Hey, Mom. I'm gonna open the door for you. We're back!